Start. In November last, we had a lecture on electricity, and the chairman, in a very interesting speech, said he remembered the time when people were afraid of traveling by electric train or tram and regarded an investment in electrical undertakings as very unwise indeed. Stop. He had some anecdotes to tell of the life of the lecturer who formerly represented his native town in Parliament, but owing to being so irregular in his attendance at Westminster, he had to resign his seat, although a man was never better qualified for the work. Stop. Several times he had complained of the want of independence of members, showed much indignation at the humiliating position in which he was often placed, and looked upon the routine work of Parliament as very uninteresting. Stop. Among other things, one of which was a story of his escapades when a boy. The chairman mentioned that in his youth the lecturer was very regular in his attendance at the local technical school and gained several certificates for science subjects. Stop. On the representation of his tutor, a clever man who was responsible for the organization of a large electrical company, the governing director of which was a member of the automobile club. The lecturer specialized in electricity, and now he was one of the foremost lecturers of the day and considered a first class organizer of electrical exhibitions. Stop.